Wagwan everybody, this is Al from Al's PC Repair and Electronic Services. Today, I have a nice job. I mount one big 85-inch Philips TV in the living room, and then I go in the master bedroom and mount one 65-inch TV. Everything level, everything straight, and no ugly wire hanging down. Professional work, you see me? Yeah, man. One question though, where people always ask me is, Al, how you start mount TV so good? I gotta tell you the truth. My journey never start with TVs. I start fix computer first at the age of 10. People used to get virus enough back then. Computer now start, so them call me. Next thing me know, my house turn in a computer hospital. Every day somebody bring a computer for me repair. Then fast forward, one day I buy one security camera system and install it at my house. And I'm like, this is easy. Next thing you know, me in a attic running wire, drilling wall, installing camera so people can watch them house and business from them phone. After that, people start complaining about Wi-Fi weak. Them say, Al, me can't even watch Netflix in my bedroom. So I start install network system, access point, switches, and low voltage wiring to make the internet strong in the whole house. Then one day somebody asked me a simple question. Al, you can mount my TV? I say, of course. But remember, back then, TV did tick like box. Fast forward 20 years later, now I'm mounting giant 85-inch TV like this one here today. Man, I lie. When people see this, them say, Al, that TV they bigger than my door. But funny part is some people still try mount it themselves. Them watch one YouTube video and suddenly feel like expert. Next thing you know, the TV crooked, wires hanging everywhere, or worse, the TV drop off the wall. That's why I always tell people, stop hire handyman, plumber, or your cousin for mount your TV. When you want it clean, straight, luxury style, with no wire showing, call the expert. I'm gonna tell you something. After 20 years of doing this, I still love it. I put the level on the TV and the bubble line right in the middle. The feeling never get old. Anyways, now we're moving on to the second TV. This one is going in the master bedroom. Nice TV, clean setup. But when I start checking the walls, I realize something important. Behind this drywall is concrete. Now a lot of people would panic right there. But when you've been doing this for 20 years like me, you already know what time it is. Different wall, different solution. So what we do, we bring out the top concrete screws. Concrete is solid, strong, and when you mount a TV into it properly, the TV is not going anywhere. First thing I do is measure everything properly. Make sure the height is perfect for the customer. Then I level the bracket, mark the holes, and drill straight into the concrete. After that, we drop in those top con screws and lock that mount down tight. This is the difference between hiring somebody who kind of mount TVs and hiring somebody who really knows what they're doing. Every wall is different. Sometimes you got wood stud, sometimes metal stud, sometimes brick, sometimes concrete. Experience matters. Once the mount was secured, we lift the TV up, locked it in place, and make sure everything was perfectly level. Clean, solid, and professional. The customer stepped back and looked at the wall and said, wow, that look amazing. No wires showing, TV sitting perfect, nice and secure. And that's what I love about doing this work. It's not just mounting a TV. It's just giving people that clean, professional look in their home. Alright, if you made it this far, that means you love my video. And if you love my video, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Alright? Oh, and don't forget to turn on the notification. I'm out.